Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Dialogue. Speak smart, think global. I'm Daniel, and I'm already hungry for today's topic.
And I'm Sophie. In today's episode, we're going to a restaurant. Whether it's fast food, a cafe, or fine dining, we'll help you speak confidently while eating out in English.
We'll practice how to order food, ask questions about the menu, talk to waiters politely, and even leave a tip. It's going to be full of tasty vocabulary, natural dialogue, roleplay, and cultural insights.
We'll also share fun stories, do interactive speaking practice with you, and answer common English learning questions. So stay with us till the end. You'll walk away hungry and smarter.
And remember, the more you interact, the better you learn. Comment, speak out loud, and even try the homework at the end.
Let's paint a picture. It's Friday night and you decide to treat yourself to dinner. You walk into a cozy Italian restaurant. The smell of fresh garlic bread and basil fills the air. A friendly host smiles at you and asks, "Table for how many?"
You say, "Hi, table for one, please." Or, if you're with someone, "We have a reservation under Daniel."
Here's a helpful tip. Speaking clearly and making eye contact goes a long way. In Western countries especially, people respect confidence and politeness.
Lesson tip, smile and use a warm tone. Use polite phrases. "I'd like a table for two," or "Do you have outdoor seating?"
Once in Paris, I walked into a Michelin star restaurant without checking if I needed a reservation. I said, "Table for one, please." The waiter paused and then replied, "Do you have a jacket?" I was confused. They meant a suit jacket. I had to borrow one from the front desk to be seated.
Wow, a dress code surprise. Viewers, have you ever been in a restaurant with rules or customs you didn't expect? Share in the comments.
Learn phrases like, "We're a party of four," or "We'd like to sit by the window." Ask, "Is there a wait?" or "Do you have a table for now?"
The menu lands on the table, and sometimes it's like reading a mystery novel. Truffle-infused risotto with shaved pecorino. What does that mean?
Let's break it down. We'll go section by section. Menu, sections. Appetizers, starters. Small dishes to begin.
Entrees, your main meal.
Sides, come with or separate from mains. Desserts, sweet finish.
Beverages, cold or hot specials, limited time dishes. Now let's decode food descriptions. Grilled, cooked on a grill. Smoky flavor. Pan-seared, cooked quickly in a hot pan. Roasted, cooked slowly in an oven. Topped with, served with something on top. Infused with, flavor added during cooking.
Interactive menu match quiz. Match these terms. Baked, fried in hot oil. Deep fried, lightly fried with butter/oil. If you see unfamiliar words, ask, "Could you tell me what that is?" Use online menu translators if traveling abroad.
Bonus vocabulary.
Gluten-free.
Vegan, vegetarian. Contains nuts, dairy. Spicy, mild. Served chilled, warm. Being aware of allergies and preferences is essential. Learn to say, "I'm lactose intolerant," or "Do you have gluten-free options?"
Let's talk tone. Imagine two customers. "Give me a burger." "Could I have the grilled burger with no onions, please?"
The second one sounds polite, respectful, and confident. Always use please, and consider using "I'll have" or "I'd like."
Practice these phrases out loud. "I'd like the chicken pasta, please."
Could I also get a glass of lemonade? What's your most popular dish?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the steak with mashed potatoes, please. And can I get a side salad?
Now you try. Say your order out loud. Or better yet, comment it.
While waiting for food, what should you talk about?
In English-speaking cultures, small talk is common. Try saying, "How's your day going? This place has great reviews. What's your favourite thing on the menu? So, Daniel, have you been here before?"
Yeah, I came here last month. The seafood was amazing.
Then I might try the grilled shrimp tacos.
In many cultures, people compliment the food and environment during meals. It's part of enjoying the moment.
Hey viewers, write a small table conversation in the comments. We'll read our favourites in the next episode.
It's time for another episode of Daniel Eats Something Weird. In Thailand, I once asked for a local special. I didn't check the description. It was deep-fried insects. Crickets, to be exact. I bit into one and it was crunchy, but also nutty. Honestly, not bad, but definitely a surprise.
My turn. In Spain, I ordered gallos, thinking it was stew. It was stew, made from beef stomach. I ate it politely, but never again. Always ask, "What's in this dish?" Look for photos if the menu has them. It's okay to say, "That's not what I expected."
I once went to a Korean barbecue place where you grow your own food at the table. I had no idea how it worked. I just threw everything on the grill and it started smoking like crazy. The server ran over and helped me turn it down. Turns out I used way too much oil. Now, I always ask how things work before starting.
That's so true. Some restaurants have interactive experiences, and it's okay to ask for help. People usually appreciate the effort to learn. I was once travelling in Cairo, and I saw a dish on the menu called fata. It looked simple. When it arrived, it was a huge bowl of bread, rice, meat, and garlic yogurt. Delicious, but I had no idea it was for sharing. I ate alone and couldn't finish it. The family next to me laughed and offered me tea afterward. It turned into a lovely dinner conversation.
That's the beauty of food. It brings people together. Even mistakes can turn into friendships.
Tell us your most unexpected food experience. Let's laugh and learn together.
Once you're done, here's how to ask for the bill. Could we get the check, please? Could we have the bill, please? Want to split the payment? Can we split the check? We'd like to pay separately.
Tipping tips. US. 15 to 20% expected. UK. Often included. Check for service charge. Japan. No tipping. If unsure, ask, "Is service included?"
Mini quiz. Where should you not leave a tip? A. New York. B. Tokyo. C. Rome.
Answer in the comments.
Let's do one more dialogue for you to practice with us.
"Hello, can I get you started with something to drink?"
Yes, I'll have a lemonade, please. And could I see the specials?
Fantastic. Now you try. Write or record your own restaurant dialogue. Let's quickly recap what you learned. Phrases to ask for a table, menu words and decoding dishes, polite ordering techniques, small talk and real conversations, restaurant etiquette and culture, tipping, splitting, bills and paying.
Homework time. Practice ordering a full meal in English out loud. Leave a comment with your favorite food phrase. Watch episode 5 if you haven't. It's about visiting a doctor.
Also, try going to a restaurant this week and using one new phrase from this episode.
And if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us bring more helpful content. This was the Daily Dialogue. Speak smart, think global. See you in episode 7.